Let me tell you something. You guys cannot be surprised on how the day turns out for you if you let everybody and everything around you plan it out for you. You need to develop a routine in the morning that will get you started and help control the spirit of your day. If you wake up in the morning and the first thing you do is check your phone, check messages, check emails, get on social media, turn on the TV, or engage in any negativity, you can't be surprised that you have a bad day. I'm gonna share a few things that I do for me that you should do the same for you too. And if you do these things, I promise you, this will make you become aware of how much all of those things that I mentioned, how much they affect you. When I get up in the morning, the first thing I do and focus on is generating my positive energy. I mentioned these things before. I listen to motivational videos still to this day. So just like I'm creating this content to motivate you guys, when I don't have nobody to uplift my spirits, I pop on a motivational video. Most of the time it's an audio. And what this does for me, I'm listening to these positive affirmations. It slowly pushes out any negative thoughts that I may have lingering around in my head. It makes me feel inspired. It gets me pumped, ready to take on the day. And if I'm not listening to the audio, I take time out to read a positive story or recite some uplifting affirmations out loud. It doesn't sound like much, but when you continue to do this and read those type of things, over time, this is just making you stronger in your mind. You will see a difference in your behavior when you step outside and engage with other people, because all the stuff that used to get you mad, you just brush it right off your shoulders. And you realize your time is too valuable to waste on going back and forth with anybody. I think positive reads and good news is going to be a really good thing to add to my channel instead of you guys looking at the news with all the negativity and bad things that's going on in the world. We need a lot more of that in our lives. So if you guys have any stories you want to share on the channel, feel free to comment that down below. I would love to read them. It really brightens my day. After that, then I get a little workout in. I just got done exercising my mind, which is the most important thing you can do. Now it's time to get that workout in and get the body pumped up. You can lift weights. You can do a cardio routine, take a walk, take a run. It doesn't even have to be for long. You have 15 to 20 minutes to spare. So put your body to work. Now that I worked on my mind and my body, I'm feeling strong and I'm almost ready to take on the day. I complete my routine with something healthy to eat. You eat good and you will feel good. Most of your mood swings come from what you put in your body. Understand the energy is real, you guys. If you don't protect your mind from what's distracting you, then most of your days won't go exactly how you want it to go. It will always be someone else or something planning it out for you. I would definitely watch out for social media. This is a big distraction for a lot of people. Most of you guys are glued to that program and don't even realize that's a brainwashing tool. It's very addicting. Yes, I know, I was there. Since I took a break and then came back, I realized what it was doing to me. I had a damn headache just being on it for a few minutes. So if you want to take back control of your days, try my routine and I'm confident it will work for you. I hope this was helpful and I was able to spark something in you to take back control of your life. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for motivation on everything. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Stay motivated.